UNEP is the leading United Nations body that is responsible for environmental matters, and UNEA is the embodiment of the will of member states with its universal membership to give the political guidance and the direction by which UNEP will fulfill this mandate. So UNEA 2 resolutions, we believe, are very important, and for Egypt, one of the relevant and important resolutions is the one on the role of UNEP in implementing the Agenda 2030 for Sustainable Development and the Sustainable Development Goals. This is very important because as you look at the Agenda for Sustainable Development and the Sustainable Development Goals, you can see that the environmental aspect is a cross-cutting across all the goals, and here is where UNEP can play a relevant role in implementing these dimensions, this environmental dimension, in cooperation with different other United Nations agencies and other relevant programs, as well as governments and relevant stakeholders. We believe that for Egypt, that UNEP can play an important role in supporting the national capacities we have for our government in implementing the different programs and the different policies that we also have in our Vision 2030 for Sustainable Development, which is the work that we are doing on a national level in Egypt to try and mainstream the Sustainable Development Goals and the Agenda 2030 into our own national policies and national priorities for sustainable development, which also includes an environmental factor, which is a very important one in the work that we are doing in Egypt.